ABG means arterial blood gas is not just a blood test. It's an emergency procedure done in ICU to save life of a person. It tells us how well the lungs are working, how the patient is breathing, and whether the blood chemistry is normal. One small mistake in ABG sampling can lead to wrong clinical decisions. Welcome back to our channel Smart Medical Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss an extremely important ICU and emergency procedure, arterial blood gas sampling, commonly known as ABG sampling. In this video we will cover what ABG sampling is, indications, contraindications, step-by-step procedure and possible outcomes. What is ABG sampling? ABG sampling is the process of collecting blood from an artery, usually the radial artery, to assess oxygenation, ventilation, and acid-base balance of the body. Indications of ABG sampling. ABG sampling is indicated in respiratory distress, COPD or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, pneumonia, ICU and critically ill patients, shock and sepsis, patient on ventilator or BiPAP, suspected acid-base balance such as metabolic acidosis or alkalosis. Contraindications of ABG are absolute and relative contraindications. In absolute contraindications, positive Allen test means delayed ulnar arterial supply in hand more than 10 seconds, local infection at puncture site, arteriovenous fistula. And relative contraindications, bleeding disorders, patient on anticoagulant therapy, severe hypotension, and peripheral vascular disease. How to take ABG or arterial blood gas sample, step-by-step procedure. Step 1. Patient preparation. Explain procedure to the patient. Check doctor's order. Wash hands and wear gloves. Keep all articles ready like heparinized ABG syringe 1 to 2 ml, alcohol swabs, dry swabs, gloves, ice pack if delayed in sending sample. Check patient's oxygen status. Note FiO2 means frequency of inspired oxygen and oxygen device. Step 2. Perform Allen test as already discussed in ABG videos part 1 in my channel Smart Medical Knowledge. Step 3. Site selection. Most commonly radial artery is selected. Other options may be brachial artery and femoral artery. But why radial artery is preferred? The radial artery of the hand has dual blood supply, which means the hand receives blood from two arteries, not just one. That is radial artery and ulnar artery. These two arteries connect with each other in hand through superficial palmar arch and deep palmar arch. Because of these connections, if one artery is blocked due to arterial spasm or thrombosis, the other can still supply blood to hand. So radial artery is preferred. Step 4. ABG sampling procedure. Clean site with alcohol swab. Let it dry automatically. Give local anesthesia lignocaine in case of repeated ABG sampling sensitive patients to reduce pain and for better cooperation of the patient. We can skip lignocaine in emergency situation, unconscious patients, deeply sedated patients, cardiac arrest and severe shock conditions. Why? Because in these cases, time is more important than pain control. Never inject into artery and wait for 30 to 60 seconds before puncture. ABG is very painful procedure for the conscious patients and proper dose of lignocaine 1% reduce radial artery spasm. Use lignocaine 1% 0.3 to 0.5 ml only intradermal plus subcutaneous above radial artery. Keep wrist slightly extended. Palpate radial artery. Insert needle at 30 to 45 degree angle with bevel facing up. Do not pull plunger because arterial pressure will fill the syringe automatically. Collect 1 to 2 ml blood. Remove needle gently. Step 5. After needle removal, apply firm pressure for 5 minutes in normal patients and for 10 to 15 minutes for patients who are on anticoagulants. Check for bleeding, hematoma, pain or numbness. Step 6. Sample handling. Remove air bubbles immediately. Why? Because air bubbles contain more oxygen, so it can generate false or inaccurate result like high PaO2, pressure of arterial oxygen and low PaCO2. Gently roll the syringe between palms to mix blood with heparin, but do not shake it. Label the sample and send to lab within 10 minutes. If delay, keep in ice pack and send it with proper labeling with patient's name, age, serial number, FiO2 and oxygen flow. Step 7. Documentation. Site used, time of sample, oxygen and FiO2 record, any complications. So what can be complications of ABG? Possible complications include pain at puncture site, bleeding or hematoma, arterial spasm, infection, arterial thrombosis, very rarely ischemia of hand. And how to prevent complications now? Always perform Allen test, use correct technique and angle, avoid multiple punctures, apply adequate pressure after procedure, and maintain strict aseptic technique. Always remember, correct ABG sampling is as important as ABG interpretation. A well taken sample gives more accurate results and improves patient safety. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you want a video on ABG analyzer machine and ABG interpretation. Thank you.